While dealing with boolean values, by default if you do not pass any value, then it defaults to true. Let's just try this here in the app.js. I'll try to pass false, so we'll open the brackets and false. You can see here in the object it started showing false, but with value it has stopped showing because we will have to convert it to string. So let's do that. I'll go to demo component.js and here I just say to string, and now you can see the output. As I mentioned earlier, if there is no value given, it will default to true. So if no value is passed to the attribute, props will default to true. This is just a behavior of attribute passed in the React component, but it is important that you are aware of it. Now let's talk about a relative question. So what will be the output for the value in this statement, or what's the default value for an attribute if you do not pass any value? So as we discussed that it defaults to true, so value will be true for this particular statement.